$2 billion cocaine bust at the normal Manley International Airport in Kingston, Jamaica. One employee arrested, and the police are reporting that it's the biggest drugs bust in the history of the country. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We ask you, please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, and click on all so you're always notified whenever we post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. This is the place where you get the best in local and international news updates. So please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always notified whenever we post new videos. What a situation that happened at the Normal Man International Airport thus this week after police are reporting that they have seized over $2 billion worth of cocaine at this facility. Now, this is not the first time the police have seized such a quantity of cocaine. However, this is actually the most that they have seized in a single operation. So we're going to bring you up to date as it relates to what happened here, and then just to try to let you guys see what the police are really reporting in this latest massive drug bust. Trust me, $2 billion worth of the precious commodity, the white lady. Wow. So police are reporting that over $2 billion worth of cocaine seized at the Normal Man International Airport is one of the largest drugs busts for the year and in the country's crime fighting history. An airport employee was arrested in connection with the seizure on Thursday, December 10. According to the Narcotics Police, a team of police officers were conducting an operation at the airport as part of the constabulary operation surge for the Christmas season when the discovery was made. Reports are that around 9:45 a.m. the team searched a vehicle belonging to an airport employee and 239 packages of cocaine were actually found. The employee was arrested and remained in the custody of the police. Investigators have since revealed that the drug weighed 611 pounds or 278 kilograms, which was destined for the United States of America. And it is stated that the going rate for it over there is actually 50,000 US per kilogram. Earlier this week, the Narcotics Police issued a warning that they will be increasing their presence at strategic locations across the island. The division on head said Thursday's bust is an indication of the police resolute decision in order to stop the illegal drug trafficking trade, and he reiterated a warning for those would-be drug traffickers to desist from the illegal activities. In June 2019, Narcotics Police made another major bust with the seizure of 4 billion worth of illicit drug in St. Thomas. Now, what can I say about this? Someone must have squealed on this. So the police said that they had stepped up their operations in order to try to stop the illicit trade of drugs passing through the port. And the individual that was caught with this actual drugs was actually an employee of the airport. The police believe that the drugs was destined for the United States, and this would be like a real link within the airport itself. But how the police got information about this still remains a mystery to many, as this would have been the largest drugs bust in the country's history. And I don't believe that this is actually the first time that this individual might have got through with this. And it's one of those situations when we look what is going on, it just goes to show you that people really have some real hard cash to be able to produce, much less to try to export this quantity of the white lady. But the police are currently carrying out more investigation as it relates to this. But it just goes to show you that what is going on in our world, it's a situation that the police cannot deal with. And this is just might have been a situation in which someone might have not been paid the right amount of money, and someone just decided to squeal about what happened, and the police around 9:45 a.m. searched the vehicle belonging to the airport worker, and the 239 packages of cocaine were found concealed in his motor vehicle. Now, the police have stated that 50,000 US is actually the going rate in the United States. Now, if these packages were destined for a overseas location, and if they would have gotten to the right place, then you would have seen the multi-million dollar gain from this. I know that whosoever is behind this right now is actually very sad, and it's one of those moments when people just have to just reflect and just see what is going on. But this is actually a major bust by the police. But I really believe that someone might have not been paid and decided to blow the cover on this individual, because I can't see how the police would just search his vehicle in particular. They must have had some prior information before this all went down in order to search his motor car, and $2 billion worth of the white lady discovered inside this motor vehicle. But what can I say? Just drop it in the comment section. How do you feel about this story, and how do you believe the police got the information in order to search this employee of the Norman Manley International Airport vehicle? The police have launched a high-level probe in order to ascertain who is the actual individual behind this, as the airport employee is just like the transport man, not actually the big man behind the incident. And I believe that he will be going through a thorough question and answer segment, and he have to just maintain his composure during that sitting, as he will be pressured in order to provide very vital information to the police for them to follow up on this and try to see who is actually behind the actual movement of the shipment of white lady. But whether or not he will actually open up to the police, that still is unknown, as the police carry out more investigation in order to ascertain the real motive and intention behind this latest drugs bust. We're gonna leave this one here for now though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's do the talk. And guess what? We're out for this one. Peace out. Drop it in the comment section how you feel about this story. Alright? Have a blessed day.